Good morning, good morning. Morning, traders. How's everybody doing? Cool, what's up, brother? Where have I been? It's been the weekend, man. Let's have a look at these markets. They look kind of dumpy, man. I don't like where they stopped this. On NQ. What's up, Craftsman? So look at NQ on a blown up version here. They are testing the 4-hour. I don't know, man. Maybe that will hold. Maybe that will hold. I kind of think this area is a little bit better. Like this whole area down here. Failed the 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're going to take any trade until the market opens anyway. Let's look at ES. ES failed the 1 hour, already tested, and then this is the retest. The 1 hour, same kind of situation on ES. They're just holding this 4 hour so far. Second test on it though, I don't really like it. I think I like this a little bit lower. It is, they did put a higher low though. They did hold this too, so maybe. Russell. Russell looks dumpy. This looks pretty dumpy, man. This looks like it's going down. Yeah, I don't like where they stopped this. I like this area down here better. So this really doesn't look the greatest to me. This looks like it's going down for Russell. So that's probably what we're gonna trade. Look for an opportunity to get short in Russell. Maybe on a sweep of liquidity. Trying to gain the 5 minute right now. They did gain the hourly. This looks dumpy, man. Like this does not look good. What's the next level down from here, man? I like it down here, and honestly. That's kind of where I think it's going. Let's look at YM. So the 4 hour failure is much higher. If they don't hold this here, this is gonna get real crazy on YM. The next level down is like down here. That's kind of where I like it though. And this might go up first though. it a little bit higher. A little bit higher and then dump city. Let's look at oil. Oil. So gain the 4 hour down here. This looks like it wants to go. Re-achieve the 4 hour and holding it. This looks like it wants to go. I would be targeting up here for oil. 83 ish. It's probably a decent long opportunity down here in oil. You may fill this gap though too, so to wait for confirmation, but yeah. Short this on a retest maybe. Gold. Still in this 4 hour gain. Took out the liquidity, failed this. This does not look good for gold. This looks like it's going lower. And the levels below on gold is like around 35 ish. I can't remember exactly what it is. I have to look at the other chart. This looks like it might be headed lower. I barely gained that. So it might go up first and then down. Keep an eye on this level here. Bitcoin. Uh-oh. Bitcoin. I have to look at the fucking daily now. Rejecting this 4 hour. Wow. What I don't like is they left the double top here. They left the double top. Those usually get resolved. So I really don't like how they left that up there. So this may go one more time before the big dump out. But they left a double top up here. Those usually get resolved. Those are the main markets. Let's just have a look at gold here on the bigger time frame. Market open 30 minutes. So they did gain the daily here, but look where they stopped this, man. Everything is tested in there, man. This is headed down here, you know. This will be the area to be buying gold for long-term holdings in gold. They did gain the daily though. No gap. No gap though, so not a very strong gain. Let's look at the weekly on gold. This looks like a fucking pile of shit on gold. I have not tested this yet. Kind of tested it there. Yeah, I think at a minimum we're taking this, and we're probably gonna accelerate down to like somewhere down here, 36 maybe, or somewhere in this area. Those are the main markets. Those are the main ones. Those are the main markets. Russell Long opportunity will be here though, even if it's just a shorter trade. I do like this level still on NQ down here. This here too. This and this is very untested. Very untested level. I wish these fucking lines would work, man. Alright, I give up with that. Can we just take a line that we're not using anymore? This one, it's just the top. Between here. This line is nothing now too, it's tested already. Can just take that out of there. This is just, we'll just put this at the top. This is already tested a few times now, so I wouldn't really have that. I would just leave it in there for now, but this line too is not really nothing. Let's put those on the ends. Put those on the edges, you know. How are you guys doing, man? How's everybody doing? Oh, good. Good. I had a pretty good weekend. Just played video games all weekend, basically. Might be re-add time soon on Bitcoin too. If we take the lows or anywhere near the lows, I'll probably add again. I still haven't bought XRP yet. That's on my list. ETH I still haven't bought. Oops. It's the main Bitcoin chart. So red is liquidity. Red is liquidity. Green is what we need to gain. And orange are levels. That's how I split it out. Get your screenshots in. There's actually another level here too. Can send this on Discord? Yeah, I will. There's another level here too. I forgot to put in. Get this in here too. It's the weekly. Yeah, weekly. This is everything that you would need to pay attention to in Bitcoin. So we'll put that on Discord. We're failing the 1 minute here on Russell. Maybe I'll take a little short.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's up, BDP? Welcome home. Welcome back in, man. Do it. Let's do it, man. Yeah, things are, I don't know, for Russell anyway, it looks a little bit dumpy. There might be some long opportunities down here, but I think down first. I really don't like where they stop this shit, you know what I mean? Just looks like new lows for Bitcoin to me, man. Is there any news today? Nothing. Nothing on the old agenda today. Nothing important anyway. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of this. Uh-oh, Bitcoin. You think this holds? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so, man.
Order filled.
NG, sure. I think this is headed lower, man. There might be a trade opportunity, but I think this is headed here. This didn't play out, so it's here. They didn't gain the weekly. They just been failure pushing up on the weekly that's already tested. So we'll probably take it out. Look on the smaller time frame here. Yeah. I don't like buying this here. It's moving into a tested area, already tested. Underneath maybe for a trade, but essentially this is headed lower on the bigger time frame. It's still showing weekly continuation down, so this is probably headed lower. A new weekly low, I would think. Lower than this. Lower than this. There might be a trade in here if you're trading it, but the trade would only be like worth, you know, from here to here, from here to here. When it sweeps the lows, maybe it'll make a bounce and fail this again, and then move down. So there might be a trade there for this. But honestly, you need to wait for a small time frame, yeah, to gain. Yeah, it depends if you're trading like how much the points are worth. It might be worth it. That was a weekly chart, so that move would be big. You need to calculate out what you're trading, right? This is the potential move here would be worth 6%. So 6% in NG is probably worth a lot, right? little bit of selling coming in on Russell now. I did add a few more. I think I only have one account now. All the evals got blown up. Just one paid account. I'll have to get some more evals. I'll get those today after the stream. They hit the trailing drawdown. The nightmare that what is trailing drawdown, you know what I mean? G'day, Rubus. Welcome back, brother. Going all right, man. Had a good weekend. Can't complain. Just played video games all weekend. My girlfriend's out of town. She went back home to visit her mom. Her mom's kind of sick or something in the hospital, or in and out of the hospital. Yeah, 4 minutes until the market open. See what happens. Still kind of like this area on NQ, but I think we're headed down. Could be wrong, no. Yeah, you took the gap fill short. I would have took that short too if I was here. I'm short now. Hopefully they fail this range. They just failed the 1 minute. I like Russell. I like longs down here though also, right? So I think I might try longing there also down here. A little bit of selling coming in on Russell now. I'm going to take one off here. Two off. We'll take 4 left. Maybe look to re-add these in. Okay, I've re-added. Gross move. Reshort it again a little bit more. I'm gonna take a stop on this soon. Come on, just dump it. I'm close to my stop. Fuck, I should have waited, man. They gave it all back on Russell. Quite the moves this morning. Gonna lighten the load here a bit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I got 5 short. This was really close to my stop. So, you know, if it goes much higher, I'm just gonna get stopped out. It's like I had like a short in my computer. Camera stopped working.